Are you preparing for the NISM Series V-A Mutual Fund Distributors exam and want to clear it in your first attempt? If you want to become a mutual fund distributor, financial advisor, relationship manager, or wealth management professional, clearing the NISM Series V-A Mutual Fund Distributors certification exam is the first essential step. This certification is conducted by the National Institute of Securities Markets and regulated by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, which ensures that professionals selling mutual fund products have complete knowledge of the products they are recommending and follow proper regulatory and ethical standards. Many candidates fail to clear the NISM Series V-A exam in their first attempt because they underestimate the syllabus or follow an inefficient preparation strategy. The good news is that with the right study plan, proper revision, and regular mock test practice, candidates can clear this certification in their first attempt. Let's understand the NISM Series V-A. Before starting preparation, it is important to understand what the exam actually tests. This certification ensures that mutual fund distributors understand how mutual funds work, how they are regulated, and how investors should be advised and serviced responsibly. The exam evaluates your understanding of mutual fund structure and types, regulatory framework governing mutual funds, risk and return concepts, distribution and sales practices, investor servicing and compliance requirements. These concepts ensure that professionals working in the mutual fund industry maintain high professional standards and protect investor interests. NISM Series V-A exam pattern. Understanding the exam pattern helps candidates prepare more effectively. The exam is conducted through a computer-based testing format. Key exam details include 100 MCQ questions, 1 mark per question. Total marks 100. Passing marks 50%. Exam duration 2 hours. No negative marking. Because there is no negative marking, candidates should attempt every question. However, many questions in the exam are conceptual, which makes practice tests extremely important for improving accuracy and exam readiness. Step-by-step strategy to clear the exam. A structured preparation strategy significantly improves your chances of clearing the exam on the first attempt. Step 1. Start with the official workbook. Begin with the official workbook issued by the National Institute of Securities Markets. This workbook contains the complete syllabus and forms the foundation of the exam. Focus especially on types of mutual funds, NAV calculation, risk and return concepts, taxation rules, regulatory guidelines. Building strong conceptual clarity from the workbook is essential. Step 2. Focus on high-weightage topics. Some topics appear frequently in the exam and deserve additional attention. These include mutual fund structure, types of mutual funds, risk profiling, NAV, and returns, investor services. A strong understanding of these topics significantly increases your chances of clearing the exam. Step 3. Practice mock tests regularly. Reading theory alone is not enough. Mock tests help candidates identify weak areas, understand the exam pattern, improve time management, build exam confidence. Regular mock test practice also helps you become comfortable with the type of questions asked in the exam. Step 4. Revise key concept multiple times. Revision is critical for retaining information. Focus on revising key definitions, regulatory rules, important formulas, investor servicing procedures. Short notes and quick revision sheets make the revision process much easier and more effective. Clearing the NISM Series V-A Mutual Fund Distributors certification exam on the first attempt is absolutely possible with the right preparation strategy. By understanding the syllabus, focusing on high-weightage topics, revising regularly, and practicing mock tests, candidates can confidently clear the exam and begin their professional journey in the mutual fund distribution industry. If you are looking for a reliable mock test platform to prepare for the NISM Series V-A exam, you can visit www.nismexams.in. The platform provides updated mock test papers, short revision notes, and video lectures designed to help candidates prepare effectively and clear the exam in their first attempt.